Given the event that had happened earlier, there's been a lot of misinformation going around as to how something like that could happen. So I'm just going to explain it in simple terms. Ships take various different types of cargo to different places called ports. And there's a lot of internal as well as external factors that need to be taken account for the ship to be like of seaworthy condition. Before the departure or an arrival in a port, tests have to be conducted to make sure the ship can safely get in and out, and this is done before taking on a pilot or from leaving the dock of the port. Can still have accidents that happen. And this is an example of a bridge of a ship. This is where the ship is navigated from, and in ports and in certain channels, ships take on pilots that are essentially expert navigators of that particular area. This is a map of Baltimore, but ships use charts, and this is a chart of the Baltimore harbor, and there's different scales that are used that show more and more detail. A pilot for a certain area, there's different types of requirements, but they usually have to do a lot of trips and prove via testing that they can like draw out this entire map. But yet again, there's a lot of internal, external factors that come into play with navigating ships. And as seen with the footage, it appears that there was black smoke coming out of the stack and lights flashing, indicating a loss of power, resulting in the loss of being able to steer the ship effectively. Reports have said so far that they were giving a mayday signal, warning other ships in the area, as well as warning the bridge beforehand as well. Given just general physics, it's hard to get a ship that's going in a forward momentum to stop immediately or go reverse. Many have questioned how could the ship change its course. If a ship is going forwards down this way and there's a supposed current that's coming at a 90-degree angle, they lose the ability to counteract the current, thus could be one of the reasons why it swung essentially or went right towards that piling. Much like an airplane, ships have something similar called the Voyage data recorder that records all that happens up until the time of the collision. So when that's released, we'll get more accurate idea of what actually occurred on the bridge of the ship.